This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Educate WordPress. On this channel, we talk everything about WordPress. In the previous video, we talked about Blocksy theme and some features it had with the blog website. Now let's take a look at the features it has with the WooCommerce webshop. Let's get started. If you haven't installed the theme, just head over to the link in the description, click on download, go to Appearances, Themes, Add New, Upload Theme, and choose the downloaded zip file. And click on Install. After you've installed, install the companion plugin. Now let's install a starter site, that is a WooCommerce webshop. Like I previously said, some of the most clean looking websites. Let's install this 𝗀𝗃𝗃 webshop. Click on Import. Choose a page builder of your choice. Click on Next. Click on Next again. And make sure it's on Clean Install. Here is another feature that when we install another template, it will remove all the contents of the previous theme. So the current look and the contents don't get mixed with the previous one. So previously we had this website installed. So let's install this. This might take 5 to 10 minutes according to your network. Now a site has been imported successfully. Let's see the website. And as you can see, a website has been successfully imported. Now previously it looked like this and now this. So as you can see, all the content from the previous website has been removed and been replaced by this new website. Now let's see some of the customization it provides. Now we have already discussed about general options and post types. Let's discuss WooCommerce options. Let's go to General. We have WooCommerce messages, star rating, which is basically the star rating for the product. This is the star rating. We can change the color from the star rating from here. We can change the quantity input as well. This is type 1 and type 2. We also have the design. We can change the sale and stock batch from here. This is the sale batch right now. This is type 3 and this is type 1. Let's set it at default and you can change the text from here. We can also show stock batch from here and change the design from here. We can change the color. And we can also edit account and checkout page from here. Now we don't have currently an account page, but let's go to a checkout page. Let's click on add to cart. And let's click on checkout. We can add coupon form from here. So as you can see, we can add coupon from here. So a form has been added. We can highlight the required fields. We can just enable it from here. We can change the fields as optional, hidden or required for company, address line and phone field. We can also add a privacy policy page from here and change the term and conditions from here. Let's head back. We can also have a store notice. So this is a store notice which is appearing at the bottom right now. We can change the settings from here. We can change the text from here. So as you can see, we can change the text. We can change the position for the notice. This is bottom. We can change it to top, so it will appear on the top. And we can change the design from here, such as font color and background color. We can also add some messages such as info messages, success messages and error messages in a WordPress website. Let's go to product archives. We have two design templates for it. The first is this one and the type 2 is this one. And this one has to be my favorite of all the themes that I've seen. This type of post is one of my favorites. We can change the number of column and rows shown here. And we can change the card options such as image hover effect. We can add or remove the star rating. We can also add or remove the sale batch from here. We can add product categories or short description. Let's just remove short description for now. We can also add or remove the add to cart button, which is this. We can change the cart gap from here. And we can change the design elements from here, such as title color. We can change the initial and hover color, price color, button text color, cart background color, and a shadow. We can also add some border radius and change the font from here and the size. We can also add shop sort, which is this default sorting. We can sort by popularity, average rating, latest, and price from low to high or high to low. We can also add a shop result count. So we have 9 products. So we have showing all 9 results written here. We can also add or remove sidebar, which is this. We can change it to right or left sidebar. We can also add pagination from here. We can choose from standard to next or previous, load more, and infinite scroll depending on the number of products. We can change the number visibility according to the screen size and change the design from here. We can also add a product catalog. Let's head back. And this is for the single product. Let's click on a product. We can choose a design template from here. This is narrow width or normal width. We can add a left or right sidebar, just like the product archive page. Now, but whenever I'm in the product page, I don't want the user or the customer to look away from the product they're looking at. So I'm removing this sidebar. We can change the content area style from wide to boxed and the vertical spacing as well. We can add gallery options. If a product has gallery, we can change the width, thumbnail spacing, image aspect ratio, and size. We can add lightbox and zoom effect as well, along with some design elements. We can change the product title from here. We can add or remove it. I don't think you should remove it. We can change the product price design from here, such as font color, size, and the bold. We can change the sale batch from here, the star rating, and the product meta. We can change the page elements such as product tabs. And here we can change the design and tabs type as well. So this is the description and reviews. And type 1 has this effect. We can add related and upsell product as well, and a sticky gallery, sticky summary, and Ajax add to cart functionality here as well. Sticky gallery, so this image is sticking to the section till the section ends, as you can see. Now these are all the options in single product. Now in this way, you can create some amazing looking product pages and product archives just from the theme customizer. Now that's one of the unique features about this Blocksy theme, and I definitely would prefer to use this theme with a WooCommerce website. Now that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.